All right, we are doing the gondola over the Royal Gorge in Colorado,
And I don't know whose idea this was because this is stupid.
and the wind is blowing.
Oh, shit.
It is blowing,
Ah.
and we're only like, I don't know, 900 feet. I don't know if you can see down there below the canyon. And we're hanging on this cable,
Stop.
and we're in the front car
Oh,
where you get the
God.
best seat.
I can't even look because the cars
So
behind us are swaying.
I told Michelle the theory: if the cable breaks on the opposite side, we go down first. If it breaks on the side we just left from, we go down last. But she's not liking that theory.
So
So
you can't see, but my eyes are closed.
Take them off.
Nope.
now I'm gonna try to swing,
No, stop it. This is well beyond my comfort zone.
and we're gonna take the ride back.
Maybe.
So we'll let you know how it works out. But yeah, there's awesome views of the canyon. And the sound is provided by Michelle. Oh. Nice house up on the ridge. Well, there goes gondola passing us. All right, peeps, have a good day.